Good morning, children. Today we will continue with chapter 4, working in GIMP. Children, in our last class, I explained you about set of selection tools and we completed 4 tools: rectangle select tool, ellipse select tool, free select tool and fuzzy select tool. Now 3 more selection tools we will complete now. These are select by color tool, scissors select tool and foreground select tool. Let us start with select by color tool. This tool is designed to select areas of an image based on the similarity of color. Now I am going to show you one image. Yes, children, in this image you can see leaves of green color in the background, and then 2 flowers are there. One is yellow and one is magenta. But I want to select magenta color flower. So first of all, I will have to click on the select by color tool. Double click on the tool to open the tool option dialog. Then the threshold slider will open that will show the range of colors that I can select. So I will have to, because I want to choose magenta color flower, so I will have to click anywhere on the magenta color as it is shown in the picture, so that only magenta color flower will be selected. Now next tool is scissors select tool. Scissors select tool selects the shapes using intelligent edge fitting. Children, it works like free select tool which I taught you in last class, but free select tool is not that much smart as scissors select tool is. It has intelligent scissors in it. Now let us start. Children, look at this image. There is a flower, pink color flower, and I want to select only flower. Means I don't want to select birds and any other thing. So first of all, I will have to click on scissors select tool, which I told you these are intelligent scissors. Bring your cursor to the edge point from where you want to start the selection and click on it. Click on the edges alongside the portion that you want to select. You will see the selection border striking to the edge using the fastening points. Certain dots are there. Click on the first clicked point and then to complete the selection, click anywhere within the area around which you have made a border. And children, if you make any mistake, you can click on a dot and drag it to a better place. That is why these are intelligent scissors. Now last selection tool is foreground select tool. The foreground select tool works best when there is high contrast or strong color differentiation between the foreground and background of the image. It enables us to extract the foreground from the active layer. Means whatever we want to select from the as foreground of the image, we can select, leaving the background. And children, foreground select tool is made up of 2 different tools. One is lasso tool that is used to select an area, means foreground will be selected by this tool, and paintbrush tool that is used to brush over the selection to indicate the foreground color. Now children, look at this image. You can see in foreground a flower pot is there and it is kept on some base, and I want to select this. And background also, certain things you can see, but I don't want to select those things. I want to select only foreground. So first of all, I will have to open the image. Then I will have to click on the foreground select tool. It is shown by arrow. And then make a circle around the object you want to select by dragging the pointer. This is the work of lasso tool. As soon as you release the mouse button, the unselected part of the image, that is background of the image, is covered with a dark blue mask. Now you can't see anything in the background, only you can see dark blue color. The mouse pointer now goes with the paintbrush for the next step. Now lasso tool will turn to paintbrush tool. Using the pointer which appears, whose size can be changed in options, Draw a continuous line in the selected foreground, going over colors which will be kept for extraction. So through this line, we will define that only this much part has to be extracted, not the background. And when you will release the mouse button, all the unselected part will be in dark. Press enter to complete your selection. So only your foreground image will be selected. All other things which are in background will be removed. It means only I want to select this flower pot and its base, that will be selected. Thank you, children.